Hey chair, come here. We all know I can't command the chair to do anything. But I can command my car with a little help from Hyundai Bluelink that connects my many worlds. Now that's what's called going beyond mobility. All you need to do is sync your smartwatch with the Bluelink and you're all set. You can unlock the Hyundai, start it and set the temperature even before you get in. That's not all. There's so much that you can do with Hyundai Bluelink. So, let's get started. Android smartwatch users can sync their watches with Bluelink by following a set of simple steps. Begin by installing Bluelink app in your mobile phone. Remember to download and install Bluelink app from Play Store in your smartwatch. After you have successfully downloaded Bluelink for your smartwatch, personalize it and set Bluelink face.